Hello everyone. So I'm back today again for today recap my day 14. So basically I woke up at around today I woke up at around mm, at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Oh, sorry, at 8 a.m. and then started working set to work at around I started working on web development. Basically I set to work at 9 1, but I started the work on web development at 9 a.m. From there till 1:30 I worked 1:30 worked on web development, and that I covered basically. I made this regular expressions, a code related to regular expression, and did some exception cases on password. Just like it was basically what I did in that code was uh, as we say nowadays that when we enter a password, there are some guidelines given accordingly that the password must contain a capital letter, it should be longer than 6 words and shorter than 12 words, and the the field should not be left empty. So I worked on those functionalities using the validation cases of form or password using JavaScript. Then I also tried I also tried creating a dynamic table. In the dynamic table in which we take number of rows and columns from the user and print a table, but I couldn't do it today. I even tried to use uh, some AI tools, but I couldn't figure it out. It was too hard. Basically, first I tried to do it myself, but I couldn't figure it out. So I tried to use some AI tools, but I couldn't. They gave the answer, but I couldn't understand them either. So basically, then I did something. Then later on came to the conclusion that I should try to make it on my own. So later on, I will be making it on my own, and later on I will be make it on my own. So then I didn't do much work after. It was 3 hours or 10 something around that work I did. So I still had a lot of backlog to cover. So I set again at today at the 11 p.m. I started working at 11 p.m. and I worked till before making this recap till 1:35. So I worked for around 2.5 hours or more. Uh, yeah. So in that during that time I covered my backlog work, and it was related to what I call what it was. I don't remember. I just studied it right now. I just couldn't remember how to express it. So it was. Let me quickly. Did I download it or somewhere or what? Shit, I forgot it all. Yeah, I remember. It was related to set attribute and other DOM features like get elements by class name or get element document dot get elements by tag name. So it was basically to get. I did some codes related to it. Then I moved to a new lecture, and tried to watch it. Got the hang of it. But my mind is just so tired right now. I just saw it for once, and I will try it again after waking up tomorrow. But in that thing, what I saw was basically the concept was related to validation only again, form validation only, but through alert, the JavaScript alert that we use. Earlier when I did validation, uh, it was related to the pop-up that we get when we enter in a text field or password, and when you enter we get a pop-up right on the right side of it or just on the above of it. But right now what I did was validation related to form was when a JavaScript gives a alert slider. It comes from top to bottom. That was basically what I did. And yeah, so now I'm tired. I went to gym also and went some out in the evening, in the afternoon also for a long session. So I'm quite tired. Uh, I hope. Uh, so that's it. That's all what I did today. Thank you. See you tomorrow for the day 15. I still haven't got the hang of it, what to say and how to frame my words because I do it without practice. But I want to do it without practice. So I hope in the coming future I will be able to do it. I hope so, please.